Shade of Shay.
Hey guys, it's Shay, a loctician you can trust, and today I wanted to do a video on 5 things Micro Locs changed about my wash day. As you guys can see, I have freshly washed hair. It still has water flying off the tips of it, but it's okay. Guess what? I have Micro Locs, and I don't even care about it. So we're gonna jump right into it, and number 1 is time. Having Micro Locs has saved me so much time. I was a loose natural for 10 years. I've been locked for 1 year. In total, I have been natural, no chemicals, for 11 years. And I have had no dye of any processing in my hair now for, my daughter's 5. So we're going to say about 6 or 7 years. I have not dyed my hair in that long. So number 2, the second thing that Micro Locs has changed about my wash day routine, the location. So being that I was a loose natural and now I have Micro Locs, with all the different processes that I had to go through in my wash day routine, I would have to do it in the laundry sink or the kitchen sink, either one. But now that I am locked up, I do it in the shower, and doing it in the shower has changed so much. It makes it better. Before, when I was a loose natural, having the hair on me, oh, it just felt so icky. And then all the different products I had to use. Now when I shampoo my hair, I'm using at max. While I'm doing the shampoo is like 3 products at max, but I'm not using a whole lot because I don't need as much now. Number 3, the third thing that having Micro Locs has changed about my wash day is the number of products. You guys, having Micro Locs versus being a loose natural, oh, I used to have the entire hair store. The hair store, I owned it. It was in my cabinets. It was up under my sink. It was in the closet, in the linen closet. It was in there. It was in my bedroom. I had hair products everywhere. Why? Because depending on what look I was going for and what I was going to be doing with it, yes, I had to have all of those products. Now when it comes to wash day, I used about 2 different shampoos because I do have dandruff. And then the other one is a moisturizing shampoo. And then occasionally I might use a conditioner. I don't use it being that I don't use a conditioner all the time, being that my locks, even though I am a year in, my locks are not fully locked. On top of that, I do plan to keep my ends as curly as possible for as long as possible. So therefore, that's why I use conditioner from time to time on my ends. With me being locked now for a year, I can count on one hand how many times I have conditioned the ends of my locks. So the products, baby. I am not a hair store anymore, and I do not have to spend a lot of money on products because it's unnecessary, especially for wash day. Number 4, drying time. As I told y'all in the beginning of this video, my hair is currently still wet. When I was a loose natural, ain't no way I was walking around with wet hair like this, because at this point I would have been a little boy. That's what I would have been looking like, a little boy. My name wouldn't be Shayla, it'd be Sharad something, because my hair would be shrunk to my head. But now that I have locks, we walking around like this. Because why? It's going to be dry in a little bit. It don't take long at all. Not at all. All I do after I shampoo my hair, whatever process I want to do on that day, I take either a towel or a t-shirt, put it on my hair, I squeeze it to rinse the water out, to wring the water out, and we done. I just walk around with it. And as you guys can see, you probably can't see, but my shirt is not even wet at all. Like, it might be a little damp, but not to the point like where my shirt is sticking to me. It's loose, it's moving. So I don't have to worry about no blow drying. I don't have to worry about trying to do some type of style to keep me from looking like Sharad when my name is Shayla. I don't have to do that. We just gonna walk around with this little damp hair and go on about our day. Now wait, let's take a break from this video. Hi guys, if you are looking to boost your hair growth and keep your locks hydrated, I have something special just for you. This right here is our SOS Revive and Restore Hair Growth Oil and our SOS Refresher. And these right here are your two new best friends for a healthy hair journey. Hair growth oil is infused with herbs such as rosemary, fenugreek, tea tree, and peppermint oil that nourish your scalp and promote hair growth, while the hydrating lock mist delivers intense moisture containing aloe vera, glycerin, and tea tree, keeping your hair soft and manageable all day long. So if you would like to transform your hair care routine, go ahead and check the description below and go on and grab your SOS Revive and Restore and your SOS Refresher. And let's get to it, because your locks will thank you. Now let's get back to this video. Number 5, one more reason is planning. You guys, I do not have to plan an entire day, which felt like a week. I don't have to plan that anymore. If I want to shampoo my hair again right now, it ain't gonna take me no more than 20 minutes. And that's with me letting the anti-dandruff shampoo sit on my hair for 5 minutes. I get in there, after I let that sit on my hair, shampoo it one time, shampoo it again. If I want to come back through with a moisturizer, I'm gonna do that again. It takes no time. So I don't have to plan for it. I don't have to be like, oh my gosh, I don't get out to work till late. No, because I'm doing it in the shower. It doesn't take no time. My planning for my micro locks is when it comes to shampooing my hair, I don't have to plan. If I had a long day at work, I can shampoo my hair that day. Even if when I go get a retie done, I don't always do my own reties. I do have a loctician, even though I am a loctician. I'm gonna go sit in somebody else's chair. But right before I go get my hair done with my loctician, I can shampoo my hair before I go to her, and I can go to her after I've wrung my hair out, because sometimes by the time I make it to her, it's gonna be dry. I have very super absorbent hair, so that's not a problem. But that's gonna wrap up this video. That is 5 things having micro locks has changed about my wash day. Let me know if you guys like this video. If you want to know any more pros and cons or life changes that micro locks has done for me, drop them down below. If you need any hair care tips, or if you just want to know anything, I have now had my micro locks for a year. If you are interested in what my hair looked like before, or how I did my process, I also have a video. I'll probably link it over here or down below of me installing my own micro locks, because I did this by myself, because I had too many people reneging on me. But I did install my locks on myself. You can do it too, or you can come to me. Come on, girl, I got you. We affordable. We ain't gonna break the bank, but baby, you gonna have to pay me. But as I said before at the beginning of this video, I am Shay, a loctician you can trust. And like, subscribe, follow, comment, do it all. Do it all. Because if you don't, do you really like me then? Do you? It's okay. I'll just give you the information. But by the second video you see of mine, you better be unsubscribed, like, and comment every time. Bye. Thank you guys for watching, and please follow me on all social media platforms at Shades of Shay _ at the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. I am here to help you guys, and you guys talk to me. Don't be scared. Bye.